I've found a really awesome way that you can make money with ChatGPT, and I think you're really going to like this tutorial. There's actually people making money with this method every single month, and it's working extremely well, and it's really easy to understand and do. All right, guys, so what we're going to be doing is using YouTube to make faceless videos to make money online. But what you need to do is you need to go ahead and choose a faceless YouTube niche where you can make money. Now, you can find these on Google. If you just go on Google and search top faceless YouTube channel niches, there's lots of niches that you can get into. Like meditation channels are pretty good, stuff like motivational channels and things like that. But there's lots of ideas you can do. But in this video, I'm going to show you one example that is really, really good, and people are making insane amounts of money online with this specific niche. So what I'm going to do here is I'm in YouTube and I put in best beaches or best beach, and it's come up with some ideas like best beaches in the world, best beaches in Bali, Auckland, Thailand, New Zealand, Philippines, best beach clubs in Bali. What we're going to do is we're just going to keep this really, really basic, and we're going to go best beaches in the world, and we should come up with some ideas. And here we go. And you'll see that these get millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views. This one got 2.3K views. It really kind of depends on the channel, but these videos are getting tons of views. And these are actually faceless videos. If we click on this particular video, now what I've actually done, this is the YouTube channel here. And what I've done is I've taken their YouTube link and put it into socialblade.com. We can actually see some of the stats. So they are potentially earning up to $228,000 per year and minimum $14,000 per year. We can use this as an example, and you can see that there's heaps of stuff that these guys do. The best places to visit in Michigan, best places to visit in North Carolina, best beaches, best Caribbean islands, best places in New York. They have done so many videos, and to be honest, if you posted more, you would get way more views. Now, what you want to do next is you want to use a software called ChatGPT. All right, so what I've done down here is I've typed out, write me an 8-minute YouTube video script of the 7 best beaches in Thailand. I'm going to push enter. And what this is going to do is it's going to type out a full video script for me with everything that I need to take to the next steps. We can go ahead and start making our particular faceless video. All right, so as you guys can see here, ChatGPT has written me a pretty good video script. Now, I would most likely have to edit this or something like that, but it's done a pretty good job. It did the top 7. I think we asked, oh yeah, we did ask for the top 7, so it was correct. And it's given us the top 7 beaches in Thailand that we could go ahead and do a video on. Now, what I would recommend you do once you have the text is head over to fiverr.com and get a voiceover made. Now, there are free voiceover softwares that you can use online as well, but what I would recommend you do is just pay someone a little bit of money, like $8 here, $8, $16, $20. This is in New Zealand dollars as well, so it's even cheaper in US dollars, and just pay someone to do a nice simple voiceover for you. All right, now the next step you want to do is you want to head over to a website called canva.com. Then you want to go ahead and click on videos, and you want to do a YouTube video. Once you click a YouTube video, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Now, this is just a free account. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to uploads, and you want to upload any audio that you went and got created, whether it's a voiceover. You might not want to use a voiceover, but if you got a voiceover made, this is where you're going to upload it. Now, what we can actually do is we can go to elements and we can click on videos. And what we can do is we can actually find videos of beaches that we can go ahead and use. So I'm going to go to here, and I just copied this one here to make sure we actually had some. Katanoi Beach, and we're going to post it into here and go search for Katanoi Beach, and we'll just drag this one in here. And as you can see, it's literally given us an image that we can use. You can actually try the pro version as well, so you can do a trial, and we can go ahead and use this. Now, if we go ahead and find another beach real quick, Maya Bay, we put this one into here as well. We just drag it in. Now we literally have 2 image clips that we can go ahead and use in our video. And all you've got to do is you've just got to do that 7 times on each of these ones here. We have another one as well. This is just, I'm just picking the random ones. And there we go. I assume this is it. You'd probably need to double check. Might not be it, but we'll see. But either way, you literally have this ready to go. Now you can also get audio from here, so you can get music if you like as well, and you could put music over your videos. So let me just do that real quick. I'll just put this one here. This obviously isn't the right one. There you go. So what you can do is if you don't want to do a voiceover, you can actually do these stock images, stock videos, I should say. And if you wanted to, you could actually go ahead and you could put in some text. So we could go something like, we could put in like this one here. And I can't remember what beach this was called. I think it was Maya Bay, however that's pronounced. We can just go ahead and paste that in there. And we can change this color to something like a red. And there we go. We can drag that around. And we now have some text there. So that is how you can go ahead and make these videos with Canva. You can literally make a video with Canva. You don't have to download any software. And what you can do is you can actually go ahead and see what kind of stuff these guys do. They do like a little bit of an intro with their name. And all they do is literally put the clips together and have a voiceover. You can have a voiceover, or maybe you don't want to have a voiceover. Now, once you've gone ahead and created this video, all you do is go to share and download. And then download it in the quality, which would be 1080p HD. This will be the perfect quality that you want to download. And then you can go ahead and download this. Now, I would recommend paying for Canva because you get so many options with Canva that you can use on the paid version, but there is a free version as well. Now, once you've gone ahead and made your video, all you need to do is go ahead and upload it to YouTube. Now, if you look at these guys here, you'll just see that all they do is a little bit of a description. Nothing too crazy, and then they just have some tags here, which is beach, beaches, shipwreck, and a few other things. I would recommend optimizing your videos a little bit better than this. All right, guys, so that's one of the ways you can go and use ChatGPT to make money online by doing faceless videos that you can go ahead and upload to YouTube.
Monetizing partners will be able to earn money from ads that are viewed between videos and shorts feed. What does that mean? Well, basically, YouTube pulled the ultimate checkmate on all other short form platforms, and now you can monetize them and earn ad revenue on shorts. So unlike on TikTok, where 200 million views is going to make you maybe $3,000.
9.2 million followers, 70 million likes, 100 million plus, maybe 200 million plus. Guess how much I've made? 3,000.
You can make hundreds of thousands with that same amount of views on YouTube Shorts. This is the channel and the niche we're going to be using. It's Psychology Arcade is the channel. And the niche is in basically like the psychology niche. And it's kind of like a fact-based short type channel, and I'll show you all that, but this is a niche and a channel like you've never seen on YouTube before, so you're definitely going to want to pay attention to this. But this is the channel with that 148 million views, making upwards of 275K per year that I showed in the intro. Don't let that kind of freak you out or anything. You just have to be consistent and understand that you're not going to get these results overnight. But if you don't give up and you actually keep staying consistent over an extended period of time, results will come. Channel's videos are right here. And I'll just show you one, for example, like right here, girls facts. So basically they just literally have a text box here that says girls fact. And then they say one part of it right here, girls who laugh and talk a lot. And then you just hit play. And then in a couple seconds, it changes, usually cry alone at night. Okay, that's kind of sad, but you see what they're doing. It's kind of just like they're showing something and then they're giving an answer or a fact. And all they have is some type of video in the background. That's it. These videos are so easy to make and they don't have any voiceover. What they do is they use viral music that you can only use on the short form platforms. But before we use ChatGPT, what you want to do is you want to kind of look at the type of facts they're using and open up a document. Okay, so let's open up a quick document, and they had girl facts, psychology facts, boy facts, What else did they have? Sad fact, deep fact. So that should be fine. I mean, you don't need a whole bunch. We'll do sad fact and deep fact. Okay. So there, we got some facts here. And then I'm gonna say write 3 short funny facts about these topics. And then we're just gonna paste those in there and we'll see what comes up. Okay, so as you can see, it gave us 3 facts about everything except sad facts, which is fine. We don't need anything to bring down this video and make it sad. But now we're just gonna copy all of this and then we're gonna go back to our document and we can just paste it in there. And boom, now we have all of these video ideas. And they're not even just video ideas, like this is the video, right? So you could see girls can multitask better than boys because, so that's what you would do. You would put that on the first part of the video and then you would like answer the fact on the second part. And you would just do that for each of them. So these are literal videos and this took seconds to do. So now we gotta make our videos. And let me tell you, there's so many different ways to create these videos. You got regular video editors, you got different software, all this stuff. But regardless of which way, which account you go with, this is the back office once you've actually created your account. And it's very, very simple and you'll see why I love this for making the videos. It makes it so easy, okay? So all we're gonna do here is we're just gonna go to create new up here, and then you're gonna wanna go to editor and then go to portrait right there. Now, inside of your video, all you do, this is literally so simple. You go to videos right here and then just type in something peaceful. You could use water. You could just type in peaceful literally and see what pops up. And you see, like, if you go back to these videos, they all got like kind of peaceful backgrounds, maybe a city street, water, trees, clouds, whatever. Okay, so something of that sorts is what you want to use. So we'll use something like this one. Okay, so just click this plus to click add as a layer and then add it. And then you just want to make it bigger so it's the full size. Okay, and then you kind of want to center it to wherever you want to be on the screen. So let's check this out. Perfect. Okay, so now the next step is you go right here to text and then just hit add a heading. Now the first step once you add the text is right here, this little fade in button. Okay, right at the start, you mouse over, you click fade in, and then just go to none. We don't want any text effect on there, okay, or animation effect. So now you're gonna wanna pick whatever fact you're gonna make the video about. We'll just do girl fact for this first one, okay? So go to edit right here and we'll just type in, you could do it in all caps. We'll just do girl fact and then stretch it and then put it wherever you think it will look good. We could do right there. And then you go right here to text effects. You see right there, text background fill. Turn that up all the way and then you could make it all black, okay? And just make it a little smaller, make the outsides a little bigger like that, okay? That's basically what they do, right? So if we go back here, you can see that's how they do theirs. Now, you wanna add another heading. Again, take off the fade in, so go to none. And then this is where we go back to our document and then we'll just take this first one. So girls can multitask better than boys because, so we'll copy that and then go back over here, edit, and then paste in our text. And then what I would do is I would do a dot, dot, dot after it. And then you kind of want to stretch it and make it a little bigger, something like this, center it. And now you want to kind of watch it. You don't want these videos to be too long. Like, it really depends on how long the text is, but I would watch this and see how long it takes to read it. And sometimes you want to cut it a little shorter than that because a lot of these videos, sometimes they'll be like really short and then people have to watch it multiple times to read it and you'll get more views that way. But that's just a little cheat code, but you don't have to do that. So just watch it and make sure it's long enough so most people can read it. Okay, so we'll hit play. Girls can multitask better than boys because, and then we'll stop right there. We'll go over, just bring this one back because that's the, that one, okay? And also, let me hide this real quick. Right here, you can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, so for now, we want the girl fact one right here. We want that to be the whole distance. Just for now, we're gonna make the video shorter, but just for now, we'll do it like that. But now what you wanna do is you wanna duplicate this one. Okay, so we're gonna just right click that and duplicate, put it over here next to it. And then you go back here and you just paste in the rest of this. Okay, so copy that, Control C, and then go back here to edit, Control V. And you see, now it goes like that. You can also make it so it's the like same size text. Like if we click on this one, it's 93 and this one's only 75. So if you want to try and make them like both 85 or something like that. Click on this one, change it to 85. We could do something like that. And you see how this one is higher than the other one? So like right there, you want to make them at like the same level. So what you can do is you can just stretch it right here so they're both showing, and then just drag that one up so it's exactly where that one is. And then just go back to where it shows up right after that one. Okay, so now we'll watch it. Girls can multitask better than boys because they have more connections between the two sides of their brain. And one thing I will say is you might want the text a little smaller than this because there's stuff on the side of the video. So you don't want it to like get cut off from that. But this is just for example. Okay, so I just wanted to say that. But if you want to make it smaller, you can literally do that and have more lines. Or if I go back, again, you can just change the font size right there. Okay, but that's what we're going to do. And now, again, you want to make sure there's enough to really read at least most of it. But like I said, you could cut it off early. That way people have to watch the whole video to get back and read the full fact, right? So we'll just cut it off there. And then right here, you want to go right here and you just hit this little scissor button. Okay, you split that and then you split this and then you just delete that and delete that. So now that's your full video, literally. And what you want to do now is the most important step. All right, so now once you have your YouTube app pulled up and you have the video on your phone, this is just an example channel, by the way. You're going to want to make sure you have a channel created with like psychology or facts in the name. I'm not going to show you how to create a channel because if you're watching this, you know how to do that. Okay, but just make sure you have a separate channel for this. Very important. But now, at the bottom middle, this little plus button, you're going to want to click that and then go to create short. Now, in the left right here, we click that and we go to our video. And then if for some reason your video is longer than 15 seconds, you can click this little 15 up here and it will go to a 60-second. But ours is less, so it's only 8 seconds. We're good with 15, we'll hit done. Now, this is the most important part, hello. You're gonna wanna go to the top right here and click add sound. And as you can see, you can use like Miley Cyrus Flowers or like Lil Uzi or Dr. Dre. Like you can use these and still monetize them with YouTube Shorts, okay? So insane. So this is a girl fact video. So I'd suggest going with that new Miley Cyrus song. So you just click it and then hit that blue thing, okay? Now, you hit the check mark here. Then all you do is you go up here and hit next at the top right. And then this is where that Psychology Arcade channel, we can one-up them. Because for their titles, they literally do the same title every time. It's like psychology facts, #shorts, every video they do. So what I suggest doing is you want to give it some curiosity. You could do something like, is this true for you girls out there? And then what you could say is comment down below or let me know in the comments below, right? So you can kind of get people engaging. So then you say, let me know in the comments, and then go to your emojis and then put a little finger going down. Okay, wait, guys. This is Thomas editing this video from the future now, and you gotta check this out. That video that I uploaded literally just 24 hours ago has 1.3K views on my example channel. So take this serious. This is your chance.